in life, we all have questions, right? Questions. And the question is basically, question means doubt, right? There's lack of clarity. So that basically means doubt. So there is a doubt, the body of doubt. So that if you think about identity, since like, I'm not clear. So that's the pain body, right? That's the physically, energetically, psychologically, emotionally, there is a doubt, seeking for question. So I know like you're more interested in answer than the pain body. But in a way, you should be more interested in the pain body than the answer. Because the resolution of the pain body, the answer will spontaneously come. So that doubt, I mean, probably it sounds like you have very specific probably situations in life that maybe some question, but primarily for everybody, it's really a question is the self-doubt. Help me to recognize myself. I have a doubt about myself. Who am I? That is the ultimate question, one single question for every seeker. Right? But the same question, the self-doubt, appears in some situation. I don't know who I am, so what should I do in my life? So what should I do in my life is a question comes out of I don't know who I am. If I know more clear sense of who I am, then there should not be doubt about what should I do in my life or should I do that in my life. Because why? Should I that do or not do in my life, what should I do or not do in my life, comes out of a certain drive, certain ripening of qualities. Like people, when they don't have a doubt about what they want to do in their life, there's a drive. I wanted to do that. There's a drive there. There's a fire there. That fire comes from that awareness of self-awareness. Self-awareness comes from the dissolution of that pain identity, the ignorance, self-grasping. So in some sense, I think what I'm trying to say here is maybe it's a good to just pay a little more attention to the self-doubt rather than that seeking more answer for what I should do.